Canadian metals. Canada is one of the largest producers of metals, as of 2019. Mining has been conducted on an industrial scale in present-day Canada since the late 18th century. The industry remains an important aspect of the economy of Canada to this day, particularly in the north, and Canadian-domiciled mining companies have increasingly expanded their operations globally. The world's fourth largest producer of palladium. The world's fifth largest producer of gold. The fifth largest producer of nickel. The 10th worldwide producer of copper. The fourth largest producer of iron. The fourth worldwide producer of titanium. The world's first largest producer of potash. The world's second largest producer of niobium. In 2019, the country was also the fourth largest world producer of sulfur. The world's seventh largest producer of molybdenum. The seventh worldwide producer of cobalt. The eighth largest world producer of lithium. The eighth largest world producer of zinc. The 13th largest world producer of gypsum. The 14th worldwide producer of antimony. The world's 10th largest producer of graphite. In addition to being the 6th largest world producer of salt. It was the second largest producer in the world of uranium in 2018. Uranium mining in Canada. For many years, North America was the largest exporter of uranium ore in the world and has been a major world producer since demand for uranium developed. In 2009, Kazakhstan took over top spot, relegating Canada to second. 20% of the world's primary uranium production came from mines in Canada in 2009. "5% of the world production came from one mine, McArthur River. Currently the only producing area in Canada is northern Saskatchewan, although other areas have had active mines in the past.